My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware, which is called TeamDarkAnon. TeamDarkAnon is a new ransomware that we discovered while researching new submissions to the VirusTotal database. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them essentially. Well, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open files without any complications at all. Pictures, music, all that can be opened easily, but because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this TeamDarkAnon ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Of course, the fact that this ransomware has attacked your files means that you can blame your existing security software for actually allowing this ransomware to be easily injected. This particular ransomware called TeamDarkAnon encrypts the data, and it's not possible to use the files anymore. So now you can see the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware changes the desktop background of the computer into this black one. It also drops this ransom note, and it also changes the extension to the files. Well, it doesn't change the extension, but it appends this anon extension to the file names. When you try to open this specific file, this is the message that you get saying that Windows cannot open this file with anon extension. Removing the extension manually does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay the ransom for file recovery. However, you should not pay the ransom. This does not guarantee the file restoration. I recommend that you immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner through this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. Click on Start Scan button. Combo Cleaner removes this ransomware, but it does not recover your data. It does not decrypt your files. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. After you start Combo Cleaner for the first time, the program should update its anti-malware database. And please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary of threats, certain infections can always be removed manually, but I recommend that you still consider premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.